Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Koger Omni X PC case series. So friend, Koger has announced a bold new case built to meet the vision and performance demand of creators, gamers, and hardware enthusiasts and designed around the innovation omnidirectional dynamic flow system. Omni X deliver ultimate cooling efficiency, full orientation freedom, and clean, in cable-free aesthetics. And at the core of OmniX is the revolutionary omnidirectional dynamic flow system, enabling a perfect symmetrical chassis that support left, right, and center placement without compromised airflow or usually. And this orientation flexibility lets user optimize deck space, improving cable routing, and achieve a cleaner and more functional setup. And thanks to the ODF system, the OmniX achieve perfect fully aligned front to rear airflow, enabling powerful and efficient cooling in any orientation, and it comes with pre-installed for 160 mm PWM fans arranged in the mirror configuration, delivering the most powerful straight out the box cooling on the market. In the direct uninterrupted airflow path ensure maximum surface exposure to airflow and making it especially effective for last generation GPU under heavy gaming and creative workload. And the OmniX completely reimagined cable management by introducing the integrated base compartment where all cables to be routed through its setup, and this design hidden all cables beneath the main chamber and resulting in an ultra clean minimalistic build with zero visible clutter. So friend, if you like an additional innovation including the sliding rail system for I/O placement and bracketless vertical GPU mounting for cards up to 380 mm and naturally aligning them with gravity for better stability and fully compatibility with reverse connector motherboard like Asus, BTF, MSI Project Zero, and Aorus I. So friend, if you like my video, please to like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.